This video was digitized from a reel of silent 16mm film, and it's of an air show in early 1961, and that's all I really know about it. There was no markings on the film container, but it did have a film processing date of May 1961, so it's sometime in early 1961, and that's all I know. I couldn't make out the location from what I could see in this film. If you can, please leave a comment. But yeah, just some great footage though of an air base in the United States, and you could see here the weaponry of the time and that time period, and you'll see planes of the time period also. And nice look at the aircraft here on the tarmac, and then you'll see a firefighting scene where they're extinguishing a fire on a plane, and then like right here you get some nice drill work from this group of airmen, and then you have some what I believe is U.S. Army soldiers dressed in Revolutionary War uniforms, and they're going to do a little drilling also. So yeah, just a great bit of history, and hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.